Hello guys, welcome back to AppGeeker channel. Have you ever been in a situation like this? You forgot iPhone 12, 12 Pro, 12 mini, passcode. You tried to unlock it. However, after entering the wrong passcode 5 times in a row, you just saw a message that says, iPhone is disabled, try again in 1 minute. It can be worse, iPhone is disabled, connect with iTunes. Don't fret. Here I will share 3 useful tips with you to unlock iPhone 12 without Face ID or passcode pronto. Before we get started, there is one thing you need to know in advance. It will restore your iPhone and erase all data whichever tip you're going to use. Also, there is one remedy if you use iCloud backup. Now let's start to unlock. Here we go. The first tip I'll show you is to use Apple's Find My iPhone feature. Open a browser and visit https://www.icloud.com/find. Log in with your Apple ID and password. Click on the device of yours that is currently disabled. Tap Erase iPhone, and then click Erase to confirm. Now you can unlock your iPhone 12. The second tip I'll show you is to restore your iPhone 12 by using iTunes. Just connect your iPhone 12 to the computer with a USB cable. What you have to do now is to get into recovery mode. Press and hold the side button and one of the volume buttons until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to turn off your device. Then keep holding the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. Now the screen turns into recovery mode screen. Move to the computer. It recognizes your iPhone 12 and pops up a window asking you to update or restore. Since choosing update needs to enter the passcode, just choose restore. The software is getting downloaded. Wait for a while. Now you can unlock your iPhone 12. Maybe you find the above tips very troublesome. Here comes a straightforward tip which will use a third-party tool named iPhone Unlocker from AppGeeker that may help you out. Now let's take it step by step. Step 1. Open the unlocker. You can see 3 parts on the main screen. Select Wipe Passcode. Tap the Start button. Connect your iPhone to the computer via a USB cable. Then let us place the iPhone 12 into recovery mode by following the on-screen direction. Press and hold the side button and one of the volume buttons until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to turn off your device. Then keep holding the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. Step 2. Confirm your device information and click the Start button. Step 3. A firmware package will be downloading. Let us wait a moment. Okay, the firmware package has been downloaded. Click the unlock on screen. Here pops up a precaution. Read this precaution carefully before you proceed to the next step. All done, let's move to the last step. Press the unlock button. Now it starts to reset the device. Wait for a while. Maybe you can have a cup of coffee while you wait. Congratulations, you can see the hello screen of your device. Thank you so much for watching. This is how to unlock iPhone 12 without Face ID or passcode. You can download it via the link in the description below. If this video helps you out, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. See you in the next video.